Guess what? Fossil hunting isn't a walk in the park. It's like playing hide and seek with rocks. They're hidden under a blanket of soil and greenery. But don't fret, we've got a lead. We have ventured out to You'an County in Chongqing, chasing those elusive rock stories. Are you ready for a fossil hunting adventure? Let's meet ZHU You'an, our rock star.
Hello.
No, not the kind with the guitar, but the brainy kind from Chinese Academy of Sciences. And here's the kicker, he's leading our fossil hunting adventure. Just out of curiosity, where do you usually go on fossil hunting?
Normally, we look for fossils from places such as construction sites and also the roadside. Partly because it's easier, so we don't have to do all the digging. Partly because this causes less damaging to the earth. This site looks just like the last site we visited. It's like a scar on the earth. But now you see it's all covered on plantation, grass, and even trees.
Got it. We've got to be nice with Mother Earth. But how do these ancient fish connect back to us?
A lot of our body plans and vital organs, such as our head, our eye, our nose, our mouth, jaw, and teeth, is inherited from the ancient fishes, our ancestors. So if you look at the modern ecosystems, all of the big animals, including the hippos, the rhinos, the elephants, whale sharks, and also the blue whale, these are all jawed vertebrates. It's not coincidence. The origin of jaw allows us to eat more, to move quickly, to grow bigger.
The evolution of the jaw was the game changer. So how did paleontologists figure all this out?
The whole process of a paleontological study is often divided into outdoor and indoor works. In the outdoor, we find fossils, but 90% of the chance we can't find anything. In the rest 10%, we can find some exciting things. We are very happy to be able to collaborate with local geological institutes. With their expertise and great help, our chance of finding great fossils increased significantly.
我主要从事的是基础地质调查工作。我们研究的这个沉积环境呢，能够解决这些古生物它当时是如何埋藏以及如何死亡的一个原因。在这个过程中间呢，我们和古脊椎所就达成了一个合作。
Back to the lab is indoor. What we do is much like forensic sciences. We have to expose all the evidences concealed inside the fossils. Then we present our discoveries in the form of papers. If our colleagues agree with us, they will let our papers published. As a paleontologist, I can tell you our job is fascinating. We are like time travelers in a way. We always look back into past, but we are also looking for new old things. We are also pursuing the new discoveries.